So here's the sketch in for the wash in for the next painting. Scrape it off, put it on. Scrape it off, put it on. Kind of how it goes. But that's one of the nice things of working with a knife. You apply it, and if it looks funny, looks wrong, you can go right ahead and take it off right away. You only get away with doing that so many times in one area because that canvas absorbs the oil in the paint, and eventually it gets so slippery in an area that your technique appears to change in that area. I'd rather keep it somewhat consistent. Or your technique, my technique I should say. I keep involving you in my problems. I shouldn't do that. What have I done? Okay. No, so far so good. Hello, kind people. This is what I have so far. Really have the right hand side of the sky painted in now, and I've got my variety of color and my general design of that plane, but equally important is I've defined a little more accurately the shapes of this clump of trees defining the top edge of this island. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here as usual and show you some detail of the knife work. Looks pretty rough up close, but it sure brings things alive, eh? I just love that. I love that working with the knife. It's much easier to avoid over mixing your colors. And although that's fun, you have to make sure that you back up often and get an overview of your painting, or you'll lose yourself in worrying about, oh, I missed this little spot, I missed that little spot. Well, don't worry about it. I don't worry about it. I just go ahead and forge forward. Anyway, guys, that's it so far. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.